Faster.
Is this how she shoots?
Fight her.
Set back all the way. Set it back all the way.
Shy.
Hold on. Let me turn off the light. Okay. Go.
Look at the big bright sparkling on light.
Dirty.
Double team. Double team, Danny.
Danny?
Yeah, it's not that color.
Danny, go get another one and defend yourself.
My class still registered for you are. Which one works?
All of them.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at my skills.
Well, no.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm Darth Vader. I am Darth Vader, bitches. What, you wanna die?
Yes. So dirty. Wow.
I'm forfeit. I give up.
How often are people...
Lightsaber battle versus real sword battle.
I'll take a lightsaber.
How often are people coming at you with swords anyway? You wouldn't need a hilt.
Yeah.
You just throw stuff at them.
Good.
Wow, B was skinny. Oh, I mean.
Fuck you.
I know, dude. I know. Damn.
That was 2 years ago when I first met Caroline.
2 years ago. 35. What's up, man?
I'm just recording the game and then being all nerdy.
No, you will. Okay. Oh, too fair. Ciao.
Hey, do you guys have BBR?
I do. But I have to like find it. Joe. And let's see. And Donkey Konga.